Getting the first sale in your side hustle is by far the hardest task, especially when you start out. And what I found in my coaching practice to be the best way to really go about it is to just launch an ebook, like a $27 to $49 ebook, and that really helps you gain the confidence as an entrepreneur. So today, I want to talk about 3 different ways on how you can sell your ebook online. And if you're new to my channel, I'm all about tutorials. I'm all about getting your results. So for each of the 3 different topics that we're going to discuss today, you will have deep dive tutorials in the description down below so that you can start making money ASAP. The first option is Gumroad. So Gumroad is super easy to use and to upload your ebook. Like, you can do it in less than 5 minutes. The thing is that's great about it is that you don't have a monthly fee. So if you don't sell, you don't pay anything. But the only challenge is that 10% of every sale goes to Gumroad. So this is really great when you start out and you don't really have product market fit yet, but once you scale, it's gonna be a little bit tricky. Okay, option number 2 is Flodesk Checkout. I use Flodesk for all of my emails, my welcome sequence, my opt-ins, my pop-ups, everything. And now they have a new feature called Flodesk Checkout. So what it literally is, like, you can build landing pages as well as checkout pages. And the good news is you pay a subscription fee on top of what you're paying for Flodesk, but you would never pay more than that. So the only thing that you really pay is the Stripe cost, because it is a link to Stripe. And if you have no idea actually how to set up a Stripe account, make sure to watch this video where I really walk you through this step by step. But you literally just plug in the Stripe account that you have to Flodesk, and then you have the monthly fee. I think it's like $39 a month right now. But then in addition, you pay a 3% fee for every time you sell your ebook, plus I think it's like 30 cents for the transaction fee that Stripe charges you. So Flodesk is really great for you if you already know product market fit and you really want to scale your business. I actually just helped a client get $4,000 within her first 24 hours of selling her ebook. So it works and it's really, really great. And like the landing pages that they have are really easy to just plug and play your sales copy in. I also use the checkout feature for one-on-one coaching. It's just because I would say for Flodesk, the interface is so simple and you don't really have to waste hours on YouTube trying to figure out how it works. However, the only thing is, of course, it's a little bit expensive when you start out. And this is why, surprise, surprise, I have a 50% off promo code for you because I'm a Flodesk affiliate. So definitely check this out. I think if you're less tech savvy and you just want an easy tool to do it all for you, I would just go with Flodesk. I mean, I even have a video on it where you don't even need a website at all. You just need Flodesk. Like, it has everything you need to really run your business. And what I really love is that you can create beautiful sales pages with the templates that Flodesk already has for you, which is, I think, pretty cool. Okay, and option number 3 is literally a sales page plus a Stripe payment link. This is by far the cheapest option. So I think if you already found product market fit and you're selling like thousands of ebooks, you should totally do that. I know it requires a little bit more tech effort. That's why I have a tutorial on it. But in the end, like, you only pay whatever you have to pay for Stripe. Because what you do is you use your website tool, whether it is Squarespace, WordPress, or Showit, and you create kind of the sales page. And then you have a button on your sales page. And you literally just put the CTA button to a Stripe payment link. And that's literally it. This is like so genius. I haven't found any video on YouTube explaining this. That's why when I realized that you can do this, I was like, I should create a tutorial on this one. Because again, it requires a little bit of effort to set it up, but once you do, you're only paying like the 3% plus the 30 cents for every transaction with Stripe, and that's it. Because you already have a website that you're paying for, so like there is no additional cost, right? Now, if you're like, yes, I want to do Gumroad, or yes, I want to do Flodesk Checkout, or yes, I want to do the Stripe payment method plus website, then check out the description down below. Let me know what you think. And if you get stuck anywhere, please just put something in the comments and I'm more than happy to help you out. Also, I've been focusing a lot on showing you how to create a physical book and publish it on Amazon KDP. I showed you how to create an ebook and sell it online. What else are you interested in? Please let me know in the comments below so I make sure that I create more tutorials, because this YouTube channel is all about achieving your personal and financial freedom through a side hustle you love that also creates an impact. If that's you, make sure to subscribe.